Hi, Ma'am and Sir. Have a great day, both of you. My name is Marilo Sumalino Banis. I am 39 years of age. I am married. I have two children, girl and boy. My daughter is 21 years of age. My son is 16 years of age. My husband is working. I have we are three only siblings, my two brothers, and I'm the youngest sister of them. We are both married all, and I don't have parents. They are both died, deceased. I high school graduate only. um, my height is 5 flat, and my weight is 60. I have work experience in Qatar. I work in Qatar like from 2012 to 2025 August. My work there is cleaning, washing, ironing, marketing. Also, my employer let me to study driving, so I know how to drive. I have license there. So sometimes I brought the kids to the school, and also when I'm marketing, I will drive also. um, Employer don't have pet, but in my house I have a lot of dogs and cats. I love to care pets. In my employer, when I come there, their children have four. Their age is 6 until they become big. I have experience to care baby, infant, for my own children. I love to care, and I'm willing to learn everything. If my madam hired me, my employer hired me, what the employer want to learn me, I am willing to learn. For my future employer, hope that you like my video and you hired me, and I will do my best for you. Thank you.